Pinayana.
This number is here, okay, but job.
It's so cheap to do it. It's just less than more.
Cheap, bro. What's cheap?
Ito rin yun. Sa mall lang. Dito sa Kurulo.
I wanna go to driving school. Mine one.
Ano kwento? What's the balita? Bongbong? Hey, Ate Gang. What's up? Sabi niyo, please buy this bag and yung single mo. 4,000 pesos. Flex.
Imagine si Ate.
Ayan yung for sale today. Ayan. Brand new to. Ayan. May ano pa yan, receiver. Never been used.
Ah, chill.
Ito baby, oh. 4,000.
Kasi ate may mama.
Ito yung pang bili mo. Ito yung bibigay mo, pang regalo. Mary, brand new to. She's gonna like it. Oh,
Imagine
you know, she's gonna like it. You can say no.
Say hi. Hi.
Hmm. Malabo, I didn't see her talaga. I didn't see her. I really didn't see her. I didn't see her, Nak. It's so dark. I didn't really see her. Tell her to open the light.
She wants to see you though. You're driving.
Open the light. Ayan. So, ano lang to. Nasa 4K. May resibo pa.
Where'd you get those heels?
Ganun siya. Anything else you want to sell? Or you want to give away? You want to give
You
away?
guys like the mask?
I'm giving you some things that you can give away.
Let's go!
Okay na, Nak? Ayaw mo munang kumain ng lumpia? Busog na ako. Sana di pa mapanis, no? What about you? What's gonna be your dinner? What's gonna be your dinner?
Oh, why did I tell you? I had... wait for you.
Repeat?
What you doing?
Baby, open the light, Johnny, para makita ko siya. Baby, open the light para makita ko siya.
I'll just show you a picture of her.
No, no.
Tell us, man.
For Halloween.
I like your fit, bro. Hey, you lucky boy. You know you lucky.
Oh my magic.
Rafa Esta lovers. Ayan, may lyric. Sel, ay mo may tignan ka dito. The music store. Here, music store. Go there. Did you bring the plastic bag? Okay. You go to my place?
Favorite character in Sex and the City?
Carrie.
Carrie?
All of them actually.
Oh, what? Mine's Samantha.
What?
She's such an icon, bro. I like Samantha.
Ayoko
She's
si
the
Miranda.
realest one.
Charlotte, pwede.
Charlotte. Why don't you like Miranda?
Tomboy eh.
Huh?
Tomboy.
Oh, she's tomboy in real life.
Ah, there. Yeah, that's her character. Tomboy din siya doon.
They're all... No, I didn't know that. In the series, she's not. But
Yeah. Hindi pala.
why didn't watch the movie?
She would act.
Why would I do? Why did you do that? I spoiled myself. Now I don't want to watch it.
Carrie kasi is the writer one.
I finished the show yesterday. Really?
Anyway, salamat sa treat. Babe. Bye-bye.
Mama, put it in.
Tulungan niyo na pong makuha yung bag. Kunin niyo na yung bag para ma-bless yung single mom. Bye! 4,000 lang po yung mga bags natin. Baby, what, clothing? How many clothing pieces did you get?
No.
2 pieces lang? Did you say let's Lots of dresses? Lots of dresses? Dresses ba yun?
Come on, let's go.
Ay, naubos.
Leave it.
Ika lang. Babush! Baby, punta tayo sa music store. Punta ka sa music store.